Hi, Mr. Bernstein. How are you?
How are you?
Good, not bad. All right, have a question. I got married in 2005, August 2005. I got my green card in May 2007. Okay, I got divorced in 2009. I was able to prove that the marriage was in good faith. So after the divorce, I got the conditions of the green card to be removed. Okay. Now I got remarried. My wife is here on an H-1B visa. Is there anything that I can do to help her because she's going through a very hard time at work right now?
Not until you can't file for your wife until if you got your green card through a marriage, you can't turn around and get divorced and file for wife number 2 or husband number 2 or spouse number 2 for 5 years from the date you got your green card by law.
Okay.
Or until you become a citizen. So the reality is, you got your green card in '07, you said?
Yes, May '07, May 2nd.
Okay, so you're gonna file for your citizenship in February of 2012, which is about 8 months from now. And assuming you become a citizen by the summer of 2012, then you'll put in an adjustment application for your wife at that point in time.
Okay.
Okay, so that's basically how it's going to go. She has to just hang in there for another year and change.
Just hang in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, not a problem.
All right.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
I filed for my kids in Jamaica from 06.
Mm-hmm.
I am a citizen.
Mm-hmm.
And everything has gone through. But they're saying they're waiting on visa number. After you pay for that visa, you have to wait on a number again?
Well, no, unfortunately what happened was the numbers went backwards. They're in January '05 right now.
Oh, so they're in January '05 now.
Yeah, so when you paid for the number, there was probably a number available, but by the time they processed through and the bureaucracy, the numbers went backwards. So you just have to wait it out. Hopefully it'll pop back up soon. You know, I would expect that sometime this year they should come back to 2006.
So you say about how long you think this will run?
I don't know. It's really guesswork. As I said, I hope that sometime this year it'll pop back to 2006 and your kids will get here.
Oh, so they are in what, January now?
January '05.
Oh, they are on January '05?
Yeah.
What? Is this for real?
Yeah.
On January '05.
Yeah. What happens
SMH.
What happens is, if you really want to know what happens is there's just so many people who are applying, and they can only give so many green cards out a year. So they say, wow, if we gave all the green cards out a year to everybody who's paid their fees with 2006 priority dates, we're going to go over the quota.
Absolutely.
So they have to bring it back. That's what happens.
Right.
I've been married to this guy, and he have 4 counts of felony, and he's on unemployment for like 2 years now. Do you think it will stop my paperwork? I'll have a problem with it?
As long as he doesn't, and as long as none of his felonies are for sexual, abuse or rape or something like that, then you need an Adam Walsh waiver. Short of that, the petitioner's criminal record, as long as he or she paid his debt to society, is not a problem. If he's on unemployment for 2 years, you'll need an affidavit of support from a second person.
So as long as he's not like in a sex
offense,
like rape or anything.
Right.
From drugs or gun or whatever.
That's good.
So,
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Not that it's good,
Not good, but it's good in terms of it's not a problem.
It's not a problem.
Right.